instructional video on how to create your own delicious cake. I'm Kristen.
I'm Alicia.
I'm Rachel.
And let's get started. First, begin with your pre-made cake mix of your choice.
We chose yellow cake. And next, you will add water.
Then eggs.
Wow, we made a mess.
And a third cup of oil. Beautiful.
Looks delicious.
And then mix.
Mix. This is a perfect activity for friends to do.
If it turns out well, you know you'll be friends forever. That is our philosophy.
Very true. This looks delicious already. Anyone else want to take a turn?
Sure.
Stir it as long as you'd like, as long as it gets completely mixed and the lumps are mostly gone. Make sure you have your oven preheating to 350 degrees at this time.
Nope. I'll go do that.
I'll help her. She's having some problems.
While they're preheating that, I'll give you some tips and advice on how to make your cake turn out a little bit better. For example, right now it's about 12 o'clock at night, and we may not be as completely alert as we need to be. Hence how many times we had to start over before beginning this video.
And make sure you have all your ingredients too.
It's much easier to have them right in front of you than have to go looking for them.
Or go to a store.
Yes. And an electric mixer actually works better for this, but it's kind of noisy, so we decided to use a wooden spoon, like in the olden days. My grandmothers would be so proud of us.
Is it ready?
I don't think so.
I think it is.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Oven's cooking.
It's preheating, it's okay.
That's a bomb. Oh, wow. Maybe we should have done this earlier in the night.
Okay, now you take your 9x13 pan.
Some cooking spray, and make sure you cover it evenly and thoroughly. Make sure your spray bottle works.
Wow.
It's looking great.
This cake will turn out delicious.
I will
no
be-
worries.
Wait, is that supposed to be like that? I'll be right back.
And then you.
Use a paper towel to spread it around a little.
Use a paper towel and get it nice and evenly coated if you have to, but you probably won't.
If your sprayer works correctly.
Correct.
Make sure to
Also use the paper towel to make sure the sides are clean.
Before you.
No, the outsides after you spray. If you can't spray on the inside.
Oh. That's a big deal.
We're messy bakers. That's, you know.
Hold on, let me put some more in there.
That's
You think
good.
I'm-
That's
I wiped
good.
some of it off.
No.
It's okay.
Okay.
This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, now we're going to pour cake batter into the pan.
Here's the spatula thing.
And I will get a spatula. This works a lot easier if you have all your materials, but that's okay. It'll turn out great. song that's on. Maybe I shouldn't be doing it.
Do you want help holding the
Should we
bowl?
be dancing while we're doing this?
Tune your radio station into some great music so you can have fun at the same time.
Baking should always be fun. Never boring. And with us, it's never boring, that's for sure.
Nope.
Why is this so difficult?
I think that should do it. Oh, and always begin with clean hands
Yes. So this is okay.
because you wash your hands twice.
Yeah, that is true.
Make sure the cake batter is even throughout the pan.
Okay, now
Put it in the oven for about
12 to 14 minutes.
no, like 30 minutes.